Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to program a Toyota Sienna key fob. First, ensure your vehicle is properly prepared. Begin by making sure the driver's door is open and unlocked, while all other doors, including the trunk, are securely closed. Have your new key fob, or any existing ones you wish to reprogram, readily available. This entire procedure is quite quick, usually taking less than 5 minutes of your time. Now, let's get your Sienna into programming mode. Within 5 seconds, insert your key into the ignition and then pull it out 2 times. Next, close and open the driver's door 2 times. Immediately after, insert the key into the ignition once more, then remove it. Finally, close and open the driver's door 2 additional times to continue the sequence. You're almost in programming mode. Insert the key into the ignition and leave it there. Now, close the driver's door. Turn the ignition to the on position, where your dashboard lights illuminate, but do not start the engine. Then, quickly turn it back to OFF and remove the key. Within 3 seconds, your door locks should automatically cycle, confirming that your vehicle has successfully entered programming mode. With your vehicle in programming mode, grab your key fob. Within 40 seconds, simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons for about 1.5 seconds. Release them, then immediately press and hold only the lock button for 2 seconds. The door locks will cycle once, confirming your key fob is programmed. If you have more fobs, repeat this step for each. To finish, simply open the driver's door to exit programming mode, then test all your newly programmed remotes.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.